Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the programming part on interfacing and non-interfacing. In non-interfacing today we are going to discuss about the factorial of a number. Factorial is a product of an integer where numbers are decreasing and multiply and give the product. Here we are using Keil software. You are going to observe the Keil software 4 version. So, if you have previous one, close that program and start with the new project. In the new project, we have to select the file name called fact and save the program. Now you select the file LPC2148. It is nothing but device name. So say OK. Say OK. Say no in non-interfacing programs. Now you can go to the file with a new one and write the programs. Now you can find the program on the screen. We have to save as a fact.asm. ASM is a assembly language program. Compulsory we have to give the name with the .asm. Now you can find the source group to the add existing file with the file name fact.asm. Add that file and change the source file to the ASM source, because we are using the ASM source, so that's why we have to add it. Okay. Now you can find the source group with that fact.asm, which confirms the program in the source group with a .asm. Now you have to check and build the program which show the number of errors. So which give the option to recorrect and rebuild the program. Here we are going to find 4 errors with a specific line number 1, 2 and 4. So after 8 and 9. So here showing a missing of comma. So after rectifying those errors, we will come back again. Friends, even you can find the alignment of a program, which is important. Line number 1 and even line number 3 are in non-aligned group. So we have to make a alignment as I did right now. You can find all the lines are in alignment except num, fact, entry, up, down. These are the instructions which are supporting to the program. Apart from that, all our instruction should be in a line. Now we are going to build once again and finding with the 0 errors, which is a very important part of a program. Until unless you get 0 errors and 0 warning errors, you can't proceed for the execution, which is a major part of a program. Now, friends, we are in the 50% of the mode where we got 0 errors and 0 warning. Now, we proceed to the debug where we restart and entered into the evaluation mode, say OK, where it shows the running of a program, the content by step 1 line. So, it shows the content of R0, R1 and R2 with a movement. So, here R0 shows 3, 4. 3 is the earlier data, 4 is the right now data which is transferred and which is going to find the factorial of a number. Next, we are finding the R1 contain register 4. Same R2 also contains 4 because move R2 comma R1, that means the contents of R1 move into the R2 register. Now, subtract R2 comma R2 comma 0. It means that the contents of the R2 subtract the contents of R2 by ones, which helps to multiply the previous number. The procedure is in a factorial of a number, the number will be multiplied with the previous one. The previous one is a 1 which reduced by one number. So, that will helps to product of a final number. So, here we can find in a R2 the reduced or the previous number, that is the 3. So, 4 into 3 will multiply in a R2 with R1, in R2 with R1. It means that the product of R2 and R1, that is 4 and 3, get multiplied and stored in the R3 register. The procedure will be repeated in a loop form till it completes or attains the 0 number. So, it means that the last number will be multiplied with the previous one and product is stored in the R3 register. Now, you can observe R3 register, that is 18. 18 is a hexadecimal number where it is converted from 24 to 18. When you divide the number with the product, you can get the answer, that is 18, that is 18. So, 18 is the factorial of a 4 number. This is our answer. Thank you for patience listening and supporting for the program. Thank you.